I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious egg fried rice. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of cold, day-old rice, 2 or 3 large eggs, and your favorite vegetables like peas and carrots. Don't forget your aromatics, 2 cloves of garlic and 1 small shallot, both finely minced. And for seasoning, have soy sauce, sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper on hand. This simple preparation ensures a flavorful dish. Next, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in your wok or a large skillet over a medium-high flame. Once hot, crack in 2 or 3 large eggs and quickly scramble them until they are just set but still soft. Remove these perfectly cooked eggs and set them aside. Then, add another tablespoon of oil to the pan and quickly sauté your minced garlic and shallots for about 30 seconds until fragrant. This builds the foundational flavors. Now it's time to bring in the star of the show, the rice. Add about 3 cups of cold, day-old rice to your hot pan, making sure to break up any clumps with your spatula. Incorporate your favorite vegetables, perhaps 1/2 cup of frozen peas and carrots, stirring them in thoroughly. Continue to stir-fry this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring everything is evenly heated and well combined. This step is crucial for that perfect texture. For the grand finale, let's add back those delicious scrambled eggs, gently mixing them into the rice. Now it's time to season. Drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. Add a pinch of white pepper for an extra kick. Stir everything together for about 1 minute, ensuring all the flavors are perfectly blended. Serve your homemade egg fried rice immediately and savor every warm, delicious bite. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.